What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dundos Kitchen. Today we're going to be making garlic shrimp taco recipe. Delicious.
So if you want to learn how to make this super quick, super easy, delicious recipe, keep watching.
You need a quick meal, 5-minute meal. This is the meal.
This is your meal.
All right, so we're going to be tag teaming here. So what are you starting on over here?
So I'm going to be starting with the Sriracha-Mayo Coleslaw.
And while he's doing that, I'm going to be making pickled jalapenos that we're going to put on top of the tacos. So here we go. Action.
Okay. I remember back in high school when I had no idea what a freaking cabbage was. My dad knew what a cabbage was. He would put cabbage all over his body. So I would go and I would buy just the prepackaged coleslaw mix, and that's what I'm going to do. So this is saving you guys time. So what you're going to need is about 2 tablespoons of mayo, and then about 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of sriracha.
All right.
So it's as easy as it gets.
So in my container here, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a cup of water into the pan here, or the pot, sorry. And I'm going to do 1/3 of white distilled vinegar. And we did this before on our last recipe, so if you need extra help, refer to that. I'm going to do about 1 tablespoon, maybe 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just going to do a pinch of salt. And what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to just go ahead and toss it on the stove and let it boil.
All right, cool.
All right.
All right, so this mayo is...
So just go ahead and put that on high heat so that it could just boil and do its thing.
That's going to be the worst sounding noise in the world. I remember when I used to come home from high school, man, this would be on the top of my list of things to do. Put homework aside, right to the garlic shrimp tacos. All right, so I don't know if you guys saw, but I did 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and you just mix it in there for that sriracha mayo coleslaw.
Looks good.
Yes, it does.
Now, may we try the sriracha mayo to see if it's okay, like spiciness-wise?
Sure.
Thank you.
Let me know, ma'am.
I shall. Oh. All right, so while I'm waiting for, I'm just sitting here doing nothing, truthfully. While I'm waiting for the water to boil so that I can pour it on top of my jalapenos, I'm going to start on the cilantro-lime sour cream that we're going to drizzle on top of these tacos.
So while you're chopping that lime, I just spit like everywhere, by the way. So while you're chopping that lime, I'm going to get you about 2 tablespoons or so into the bowl. Jesus.
All right.
And we use Daisy's sour cream.
I think I'm pretty good at any jingle that you need. No, what was that one that used to sing? Remember to me all the time in Buffalo, the Buffalo one.
O'Reilly.
O'Reilly Auto Parts. No, but there was another one. Remember, there was a business in Buffalo that I'd be like, "What the hell are you singing?" Remember?
I don't know, man. Not drawing a bell.
No, seriously.
Normally, when I sing, I go right for Mariah Carey.
The jingle that goes remember you were like, if you need it, da, da, da. All right, so I'm going to squeeze a whole lime in here.
So this avocado, again, is going to go on top of the taco when we assemble it. So it looks all nice, adds a nice butteriness, a nice sweetness to it.
Can you check to see if the water's boiling over there?
I will do that right now.
Thank you.
It is boiling.
All right, go ahead and put it in the jalapenos. All right, then we're just going to put this in the fridge.
Yes.
Flash freeze them.
Flash freeze in the fridge. Oh, Celino plumbing.
That's probably what it was.
Call AA flush Celino. Oh, yeah, it's the Celino plumbing one.
I told you it was something special.
Call 86 flush Celino, 86 flush. So now we're prepping our garlic for the garlic shrimp, because remember, it's garlic shrimp. If there's no garlic in there, it's just shrimp.
Which is stupid.
And we're using 4 cloves.
I feel like any way that you have tacos is really freaking good.
Yeah, I feel like tacos is just one of those foods that you can put a hoof in there and it's okay,
Yeah,
because all the other flavors kind of just make up for it. Who said queso was better?
I mustn't say names.
Very well. This channel, we like to keep no names said.
It's anonymity. Anonymity.
Anonymity. Anonymity.
So anything that you share with us, we won't publicly announce.
Well, we might. Leave a comment below if you want us to share anything personal about you. If you want to know how I decided to make this garlic shrimp recipe as a young high school individual, I don't even know how. All right. And make sure when you chop this garlic, you chop it finely, so whenever you bite into the taco, you don't just get a massive chunk of garlic.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so we're using raw fish. It's already been...
Oh my god, oh my god. Watch, it has water in it.
As I was saying, we're using raw fish, but it already has the tails off and it's been deveined. Add some salt. Cumin. Black pepper. You see, these are super simple. You can get these at your run-of-the-mill grocery store.
Once you see that, like, it turns from like that translucent color to the white-ish color, you're getting close to it being done. If you overcook it, it'll be like rubbery. It'll taste like your car's front tire.
Not a fan of that taste, so try to not to overcook it. So while the shrimp are almost done, you add your little bit of butter, about a tablespoon, and then your garlic. That should cook off really fast. Remember, you just want to really flash the garlic in there. You don't want it to burn. All right, and that looks about done to me.
Done.
So you
So
turn it off now and then
off.
take it off the heat. Let it simmer up a little bit more.
All right, so if I'm gonna check my time, that was about 5 minutes.
And we're ready to assemble.
We're ready to assemble. All right, so I think we're gonna start with our slaw, if I'm
so
not mistaken.
Put a layer of coleslaw down there.
Oh, that's a lot.
Oh, hey, the more the merrier. You want a nice pop. All right, so go ahead.
Then I'm gonna go in with my shrimp, and I'm probably
I
gonna
like a lot of
drop,
slaw because that slaw has that crunch, you know? Nestle crunch all up in your taco mother.
All right, so I got my shrimp on there.
Oh.
I'm gonna go in with my avocado next.
Big fan of garlic, so I'm gonna scoop out literally just I might just do garlic on here, no shrimp.
That's a good idea.
I'm gonna get some avocado. All right. Comment below what other toppings you guys would want on your tacos. We like avocado.
Yeah, do you like spice? Because I feel like we put spice in everything, and then like if you guys aren't liking that, just let us know. Comment below and let us know. Say, you know, I'm a little bit whack. I don't like the spice. And we'll say, you know what? It's okay. We'll find another recipe.
We'll get you some bland food. Don't you worry about that. All right, so now you drizzle some of this beautiful sour cream.
Our pickled jalapenos here.
Pickled.
There you go.
Thank you for passing the pickles. Took you quite a while.
I'm excited. Hurry. Make sure you leave no other pickled jalapenos for your other tacos.
Yeah, use them all in one taco.
All right, so now we're gonna
Ooh,
try.
Look at that, son.
Here we go. The crunch, the spiciness from the jalapenos, the creaminess from the sour cream, the shrimpiness from the shrimp, everything.
Top notch. That was
Did we
spicy.
mention that we toasted our bread?
Tortilla? Mm-hmm. Ain't that long.
Rave style. Like, we have, excuse me.
You're just eating. One time I bought a Taco Bell to-go box, the $5 to-go box. I just put my own garlic shrimp tacos in there. You could be hit at every party. You could be hit at every party. Everybody wants the guy who comes in with the shrimp tacos. No one's subscribing, comment.
Huh. It's super quick, super easy. This is so good.
Mm-hmm. Please be sure to comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell.